Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Today I'm going to be doing some box braids in my hair, and as you can see I went ahead and sectioned off my hair just to make it easier for when I start doing the braids. I did not blow out my hair for these braids because previously to this I had some twists in my hair which I took out, and then I did my hair like this. Today I'm going to be using this jam from BTL because I love it so much. For my braids, I'm going to be using this pre-stretch Spectra braids, and by the end of the video I'll tell you how many packs I use. I'm also going to be using this one by Easy Braid, and this is color number 613 and the other one is color number 1. I'm starting off by parting out my first section in the back, but before I do that I'm adding some jam, and this will help to make my parting even straighter. I wanted to make this video very detailed, but that is looking unlikely just because I have lost some of my clips, and I do apologize for that, but I'll try to do as best as I can. Now I'm taking out my first section. I'm going to be doing this in 4 because I'm going to be doing some small braids today. So I already taken out the hair that I'm going to be using, and this is a whole pack of the black and a few of the 613, and I hang them onto a thread holder for easy reach. So each time you see me lean over to the front, I'm grabbing a piece of hair from the thread holder that I have hanging there, and doing it this way will help me or guide me in having all my braids on the same size. So as I got closer to the end, I add the 613 here on it, and I add it where the end of it will be the same as the end of the black hair, so none of the white one will be sticking out too much. So as you can see guys, I'm already up to the top, which means I lost all the clips in between. On some of the clips that I lost in between, I was being very detailed on how I was holding the braids and how I started off my braids. So I do apologize for that, but the next time I do my box braids, I'll definitely try to include some of those details. So usually when I take my partings out to braid it, I add some jam onto it before I start the braids. This will make my natural hair blend in with the braiding hair very well. So this is how I place the hair in between my fingers to braid it. After I loop them around each other, I put my pointing finger and middle finger in between two of the hair, and then I pull the third piece of hair in between those two fingers. So I'm slowing this part down for you guys to see exactly what I'm doing, because sometimes showing you guys is much easier than just telling you. When I'm doing the sides of my hair, I like to add jam onto it and then I brush it in. Another thing I like to do at the sides is make the parting a little bit slanted. If you could see there what I mean. When I get up to the middle of my hair, all my parting will line up perfectly. As for this section, I'm gonna do it in 3, and usually when I do small braids, this section end up being 3 anyway. As I get closer to the top, the section is gonna end up being longer, so I'm gonna end up doing 4 in the top for about 4 of my sections there. Now I'm on the last section of my hair, and as good as it feels, I'm still not even close to finish yet. I still have to finish the ends of my hair, which I always leave for last. I feel like it's much easier and less stressful when I do it this way. Actually, from my experience, I know that it is much easier. So a lot of them in the back is already finished, and this is because each time I took a break away from the camera or in front of the mirror, I continue working on the back, and this is how I got some of them done while I'm away from the camera or away from the mirror. And I feel like that makes it so much easier for me because I continue working on my hair even though I'm not sitting in front of a mirror. Even though I'm not sitting in front of a mirror. I don't know, I feel like the hardest part of doing my hair is sitting in front of a mirror, but finishing off the ends is always a breeze for me. The fact that I could do it anywhere is the reason why it's less stressful. Even if I'm sitting in the car, it really doesn't matter where I am, I could finish off the ends. And here I am finishing off the last and final one. So when I do my hair, I like to oil my scalp. So today I'm going to be using my Miracle Grow CBD oil to do so. And anything that have CBD on it for hair, I love. Just don't ask me why, because I don't know. It could be because I'm Jamaican or it could be because I'm black. But if it have CBD on it, you can sell it to me. To make my hair look more uniform and less frizzy, I'm going to be using one of my favorite BTL foam and wrap lotion. For my edges, I'm going to be using my CBD and 24K Gold Edge Grow. And this is from the same company as the oil that I just used. And I'm going to use my edge brush from Magic Collection to apply it. I'm tying it down with my rapid styling strip, which I fold in half, and I'm gonna leave it to dry. And while I do this, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and I'll come back and show you guys a final look. So this is the final look. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little spin so you guys could see the back of it, what it looks like. I use a total of 3 packs of the black and 1 pack of the white to complete this style. This isn't my first time doing my hair this length or this size, but every time I do it, I feel like I fall more and more in love with it. So the length of the black hair is 36 inches and the length of the white hair is 20 inches. Because of where I added the white hair into the black hair, I would still consider this a 36-inch length braid, maybe 37 or 38, because a few of the white may be a little bit longer, but it's not too much longer to say it is, you know, like 40-inch or more. This style took me about 2 days. I'm not sure. I had so much going on in between doing my braids, so I did stop in between, you know, for other stuff that I'm doing, but I managed to get it done anyway. I did most of it on the first day, so I'm very proud of myself for that. But just because I love doing my hair so much, it was definitely not a hard task. It is down past my butt, so yes, it is long, but it is pretty too, so I am so in love with it. I can't wait to go rock this hairstyle. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Give this video a thumbs up if you find that it was helpful. If you haven't already done so, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!